Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MG Global. Good evening and thanks for your loving support and your blessings. So today I am going to present you a modern residential township project at Howrah Hooghly location. Just 45 minutes driving distance from Dakshineshwar metro station, but we have reduced the time by 20 minutes by jetty service. We are having a private jetty service in this project. With having a super fast jetty, you can reach within 20 minutes to the Dakshineshwar metro station and within 45 minutes in Millennium Park. So this project is having 2 BHK with having a super spacious size of 900 square feet. As you can see, this is an actual apartment. We are standing on the 22nd floor. The project is having a marvelous height of ground plus 2 level of car parking plus podium level plus 28-story towers. So with having the highest towers in the vicinity, the project offers you all the integrated township facilities with having a total land parcel of more than 100 acres. You can see this is your balcony space. This balcony offers you a unique view of Ganga, and all the balconies, all the apartments are river facing apartments. As you can see, under this our new jetty is already installed with speedboats. High class facilities are there. This is your main balcony with having a size of almost 70 square feet, and we are also giving you points over here for your separate dishwashing and washing machine. And this is your outdoor unit of AC. All the bedrooms are having AC provision, and also we are giving air conditioner provision on your living cum dining itself. So as you can see, in this living cum dining we have placed an air condition system. This can be your sit out area, means living space, and this can be your dining hall. So you can decorate a 6-seater dining table over here, and the most important part is that on the main door we are giving you this 6.5 feet height door. Beside that, we are giving you L&T main switch boxes with premium most quality, and this is your kitchen space. It's an open format kitchen with a half countertop, and this countertop is having a L pattern with, you can create an island platform over here if you want. This side is your refrigerator space. You can keep all your gadgets over here. We have given you 2 feet tiles. All the terracotta style tiles we have given you with highest standards, and with all electrical fittings or with CP and sanitary fittings with branded quality. This is the cross ventilation window. This side towards the Ganga side, you can see the lovely view, and above this you can have exhaust point. So these are our customer reviews. So you can clearly see these are our customer reviews. They have already residents of our project. So this project is being built in separate phases. All the completed phases are occupied by our residents with their amazing remarks. They are very lively resident, and they have a very beautiful feelings of their complex. And now I am going to show you the part of the bedroom. So let's enter to your common washroom. This common washroom is having a size of approximately 8.5 feet by 4.5 feet in length. Again, terracotta style tiles with premium CP and sanitary fittings we are giving you with highest standards. This is your master bedroom. So let's enter to your master bedroom. So from your master bedroom you can see amazing views. Before that, this is your master washroom this side with having again same size of common washroom. The master bedroom is having both the side windows for cross ventilation, and this is your full length cupboard space. The project is having built such a way that it can withstand almost 100 plus years of lifespan because of Allofoam technology. Just beside me you can see the noise of Allofoam technology. The buildings are being used by total concrete blocks. No brick wall have been used. As you can see, the entire building is being developed such a way that it can withstand an earthquake of 8.5 magnitude also, with having a superstructure of livability of 100 plus years. And the most important part is this one, the Ganga facing river view with main jetty service and our personal jetty boat and jetty ghat with this beautiful promenade of almost 1.5 kilometer of long promenade we are developing. This side is the podium level with having a great 5 lakh square feet of podium, in which we are developing huge superstructures and lovely spaces for your residents. And the most important part of this apartments are, these are all high-rise apartment. As you can see, this is the highest in the vicinity, with having ground plus 2 level of parking plus podium plus 28 storied apartments. This is very tall on the vicinity. The entire project is developed by one of the most trusted brand in Kolkata. They are renowned for their quality construction, and they are present in Kolkata city more than 50 years. Yes, they are one of the oldest developers in Kolkata right now. So now come inside. So now again we are going to show you the second bedroom. This can be your guest bedroom or kids bedroom. This bedroom is also having a beautiful space, about a size of 11.5 feet by 12 feet, almost square in shape. Again, this bedroom offers you the significant view of podium. From this side you can see this podium space, almost ready to move in podium. So, and also Ganga view. So you can see the Ganga view from here. The project is offering you 2 BHK, standard size 900, approximate sizes 3 BHK starting from 1250 square feet, goes up to around 1500 square feet. Our pricing of these apartments, all including car parking, extra charges, GST, amenity facility charges, starting from only 60 lakhs onwards. And for 3 BHK, our starting price, all inclusive, 75 lakh onwards, goes up to 1.20 CR, depending on your floor choice, apartment size and all. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and let me also mention you 4 things. Number 1, our services is absolutely free of cost. You do not need to pay anything to us. Number 2, we are giving you lowest price, bottom price guarantee deal, because if anybody can offer you discount more than us, we will give you double discount. That is our guarantee. Number 3, we are giving you 5 years legal and marketing support free of cost to you. And number 4, gift, a surprise gift for your loving ones. So thanks for supporting us. Keep supporting, keep loving, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Jai Hind, and see you soon on my next video.